Hey there friends, thanks for checking in. A couple days ago I made a video talking about 7 handguns that I was happy to get rid of, and the response was incredible. You guys spoke about my choices and shared your choices of handguns that you were happy to get rid of, and I loved reading each and every one of those responses. Many people also said, why don't you make a video about some handguns that you would never get rid of? And that's what we're doing today. I'm going to cheat a little bit, even though I'm calling it 7 handguns I would never get rid of. I'm going to feature quite a few, so let's get to it. Since my opening featured the Colt Python, I may as well keep it out here because I will never get rid of this revolver. It's an amazing stainless steel 6-inch barrel Colt Python. I now have original Colt Python grips. Those are new within 6 months. But if you look at the Python, it used to be a handgun that was out there. Law enforcement used them. Many civilians had them. It was no big deal, but the machinery is gone. The people who handcrafted these are gone, and they stopped production. Now what we're seeing is an annual increase in price on the used market. It just keeps going up and up. You add that with the historical value of it, let alone the beauty and the amazing trigger pull in both double action and single. There is no way I could ever get rid of the Colt Python. I just love it too much. I'm a huge fan of CZ handguns, and I can never be a man with a gun collection without owning a CZ. Here's the P10C, the 2075 Rami, the all-steel SP01, and the SP01 Phantom with a polymer frame. So many of the people watching this would say, well, that's an easy choice. The all-steel SP01 would be the popular choice, and I get that, but this may surprise you. I love this Phantom, SP01 Phantom. It's amazing, and I love the 2075 Rami. So for me, it's going to boil down to these two. Which one would I choose? I'm going with just one here. I love the Phantom, but I think I love the Rami a little more, and that would be my choice. I could never get rid of this Talo exclusive Sig Sauer P226. This handgun has everything you could ever want, plus some. It is an ASE alloy stainless elite frame and a short reset trigger, SRT. So here we have the single action and then the trigger pull resets right there. Just an amazing handgun. Does have night sights on there, beautiful wood grips, a real showpiece, and an amazing gun to have in the collection. I couldn't get rid of it. If I tried, this one's staying with me forever. It would kill my self-esteem to not have a 1911 in my possession. I'm featuring 4 here, although I do have a couple more. Here's a Remington R1 1911 with a double stack mag that holds 15 rounds. Here's a Desert Eagle 1911 called the Undercover with a 3-inch barrel that's also in 45. Here we have another Desert Eagle with a color case hardened frame. All right, 45, and then over here we have a Ruger SR 1911 officer's model in 9mm. When considering these, I would take the 5-inch barrel, and then if I had to choose one between these two beauties, I would take the color case hardened frame made by Magnum Research. I have always enjoyed car handguns. I have a bunch of them, and I love featuring them on this channel. I narrowed it down to 4 of these, and these are all special in their own way. Each of them talk to me. They all have night sights. They are all extremely thin and carry very well. Here we have the PM45, the PM9, the P9, and the K9. And it would be hard to choose just one. They all have similarities, but they're all a little bit different in their own special way. But in this video, I have to choose just one, and if that's the case, I'm taking the original Car K9. I'm not a handgun competition shooter, but if I was, I'd be reaching for this Grand Power X caliber with a 5-inch barrel. It does have a rotating bull barrel. Beautiful look to it. I love everything about this handgun, and now that I've owned it for a while, I could not imagine living without it. And the single action is right around 3.5 to 4 pounds. Amazing shooting gun. I absolutely love it, and this thing's going nowhere. I really love full-size Desert Eagles chambered in 50 Action Express, and I am so fortunate and blessed to own 3 of them. Here is a stainless Desert Eagle with an integral muzzle brake. And over here we have a color case hardened Desert Eagle with a wood grip there. Many of you loved that one. Then here's my custom Desert Eagle with titanium gold and black. I think it would have to come down to these two if I had to choose just one. Now, many of the viewers said they like this one a little more, but I think I would have to go with the gold and black. There's just something about this gun. Maybe it's because I created it on their site, but I love it. I love everything about it, and it is just a beautiful showpiece. Those are the 7 handguns I could never get rid of. I will mention that Glock, Steyr, FN, Walther, they are all honorable mentions, but you can pretty much get those anytime and anywhere. These are a little different, and they're special to me, and that's why I would never get rid of them. If you like videos like this, please subscribe and share. I always appreciate the thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and you guys be safe.